Your Samsung Galaxy S26 comes packed with powerful AI features. But here's the thing most users don't realize. If you don't set them up properly, you're only using a fraction of what your phone can actually do. From writing smarter messages to translating real-time conversations, these tools can completely change how you use your phone daily. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through two of the most useful AI features on your Galaxy S26. Writing Assist and Interpreter. Writing Assist helps you compose, organize, and improve text, plus translate chats and suggest replies. Interpreter, on the other hand, lets your phone translate spoken conversations in real time. If you're new to the Galaxy S26, this is something you don't want to skip. Let's get started. To begin, swipe up from the home screen, then tap Settings. Scroll down, then tap Galaxy AI. This is where all your advanced intelligence features are located. Tap Writing Assist to begin. You'll see a quick overview of what the feature does. Tap OK to continue. Now scroll down to see more options. You'll see an option called Process Data Only on Device. Turn this on if you want your text to stay private and processed locally. But here's the trade-off. If this is enabled, some features like text organizing and summarizing won't work because they require online processing. So choose based on your priority, privacy or full functionality. Next, tap Chat Translation. Turn this on to translate messages directly inside supported apps. Now tap Languages to show. Choose whether you want original and translated text or translated text only. Then tap Manage Apps. Turn on the apps where you want chat translation to work. This usually includes messaging apps like SMS or supported third-party apps. Now let's proceed to downloading language packs. Go back, then tap Language Packs for translation. You'll see installed languages at the top. Scroll down to Available to download. Find your preferred language, then tap the download icon. Wait for it to install. Once done, it will move to your installed list and be ready for offline use. You can also delete unused languages by tapping Delete at the top. Now go back and tap Suggested Replies. Turn the switch on. With this enabled, your phone will suggest quick AI-generated responses to messages. You'll also see these suggestions on your Galaxy Watch, as long as it's running One UI 6 or later. At this point, your phone can already translate chats, suggest replies, and improve your writing. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Let's set up real-time conversation translation. Go back to the Galaxy AI menu, then tap Interpreter. Then turn on the switches for Auto-Detect Languages and turn on Mic automatically. This allows your phone to listen, translate, and respond seamlessly during conversations. When someone stops speaking, the mic turns off. Once translation is done, it turns back on automatically. Now let's enable voice output. Scroll down, then turn on Read Translations Aloud. This lets your phone speak translations, making conversations feel more natural. Next, turn on Auto Record when mic on. This allows you to save conversations, view transcripts, and generate summaries, all accessible later through Voice Recorder. Now let's download language packs for the Interpreter app. Tap Language Packs for translation again. Download any languages you need for offline conversations. This is especially useful when traveling or when you don't have internet access. Next, let's customize voice styles. Go back, then tap Voice Styles. Choose a language, then select your preferred voice. You can also adjust the speech speed using the slider. This helps make translations sound more natural and easier to understand. You can also configure and set up notification settings for Interpreter. Tap Notifications. Here you can control alerts, sounds and vibration, and pop-up style. Choose between brief or detailed pop-ups. You can also enable live notifications for ongoing translations and prioritize notifications for better visibility features accordingly. Finally, tap Permissions. Make sure microphone access is allowed. Optional permissions like nearby devices and notifications can also be enabled for a better experience. Once everything is set up, your Galaxy S26 becomes more than just a smartphone. It becomes your writing assistant, translator, and real-time communication tool. And honestly, most users never even tap into these features. And that's how you set up AI Writing Assist and Interpreter on your Samsung Galaxy S26. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Galaxy S26 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more smartphone tutorials and tech guides.